Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and reviewing this Logitech K380 multi-device Bluetooth keyboard. Now, let's get started. This keyboard has 5 colors to choose from: black, blue, rose, red, and white. The dimensions are 12.4 times 27.9 times 1.6 centimeters and weighs solely 423 grams, which is very light, allowing you to carry anywhere. The keyboard can connect to any devices including Windows, Mac, iPad, Chrome, Android, iOS, and even TVs such as Apple TV and certain Android and Samsung TVs. You can also connect up to 3 devices, allowing you to switch between devices seamlessly. The keyboard also has a great design, making you type comfortably and stay at a good posture. The keyboard comes with two 3A batteries and can work for about 2 years. The box comes with a user documentation, and as I purchased in a Thai store, there's also a free Thai keyboard sticker included too. Firstly, I will connect the keyboard with my iPad Air 4 as my device number 1. So press the F1 button for 3 seconds and the light will blink rapidly. For this device, it will connect with the keyboard automatically without needing to enter the pin. Now, I will connect with Windows as device number 2. So go to the Bluetooth settings page and click Add Device and press the F2 button for 3 seconds until the light blinks rapidly. For this device, the pin will be shown on the screen, so you will need to type the code on your keyboard and press Enter, and it will connect successfully. Lastly, I will connect with Samsung TV as device number 3. So go to the Bluetooth device list, setting on the TV, and again press the F3 button for 3 seconds until the light blinks rapidly. Enter the code on your keyboard as shown on the screen and press Enter, and the keyboard will be connected to the TV. This allows you to use your keyboard as a remote controller, which you can search at different commands on the TV website. Now, I will try switching between devices. First, I will be using my iPad, so I press F1 and it will connect automatically. Next, I will press F2 and it will change to connect to my laptop, which I am typing in the same document as the one on my iPad. Lastly, I will press F3 and it will change to connect to the TV. Personally, I like this keyboard so much. I love the color and it is quite comfortable to type with. It is very lightweight, so I can carry around easily too. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. See you soon!